with perfect elasticity, softness, and flavor. The production process begins with a selection of high-quality ingredients such as flour, water, salt, and yeast. Then the ingredients are combined and mixed to form a dough mixture, which is then incubated and soaked for a certain time to allow the yeast to become active. Have you ever wondered how bread is made? Bread, an indispensable part of our daily cuisine, often makes many people curious about its production process in factories. The bread-making process is truly a complex and varied process, carried out with care and thoroughness from the preparation of ingredients to the roasting and baking process. It is a highly technical process and is carried out with care and thoroughness to ensure high quality and great taste of the final product. Flour bread, with its characteristic flavor and unique combination of the crispiness of the bread and the aroma of the floss, is always a popular and attractive choice in the culinary world. The bread-making process usually begins with bread making, where basic ingredients such as flour, yeast, water, and salt are combined and kneaded to form the bread mixture. Then the bread is toasted until it has a crispy crust and a soft inside, made from quality ingredients and following a careful production process. Floss bread is a unique highlight in the world. Culinary world will satisfy your taste buds. Looking at the eye-catching pieces of golden bread, you can't help but be fascinated by the appeal and enchanting flavor they bring. Each piece of bread, with its shiny golden color, creates a delicious and attractive feeling at first sight. The vibrant beauty of yellow not only adds appeal, but also creates a feeling of warmth and comfort. Not only a delicious dish, golden pieces of bread are also a symbol of perfection and quality. With a crispy crust and soft inside, each piece of bread is a delightful experience for your taste buds. A manual rolling tool is used to create a faux brick appearance on a concrete surface. Chantcrete is a high-speed concrete construction method. Using pliers to create the strongest metal spirals, a mini drill removes excess wood from the product. With this frame, you can create a brick-paved sidewalk without even using bricks. A tile cladding system on walls without the need for cement. Applying a layer of sand on the ground to improve drainage and surface hardness. Creating patterns on the walls using rollers. And now you can find out how a sturdy house is built in Minecraft. a tool similar to your nail to remove dead grass. This skilled worker designs beautiful tiles with his unique skills. Stainless steel pulse shaker is an extremely effective solution for separating peas and other beans quickly and accurately. With advanced technology and stainless steel material, this pulse shaker not only ensures sustainability and durability, but also ensures food safety. Looking at the carrots running on the conveyor belt, you will feel the blend of natural vitality and the power of technology. Each carrot, with its bright orange color and unique shape, is moving gracefully on the conveyor belt, creating an attractive and beautiful sight. Not only a source of nutrition and health, but these carrots are also a symbol of care and concern for the quality of the food we consume every day. With the ability to create smooth and uniform steam, this machine helps clean vegetables effectively, removing dirt and impurities quickly and easily. Warm, wet steam not only helps clean vegetables, but also increases freshness and keeps them naturally moist during storage. In particular, this steam blanching machine also helps eliminate bacteria and viruses that can be harmful to health, ensuring consumer safety when using the product. With a combination of rotation and flexible belt movement, this machine helps clean vegetables quickly and effectively, removing dirt, residue and other impurities without damaging the structure of them. The versatility and adjustability of the belt blancher allows it to accommodate a wide variety of vegetables, from the smallest to larger ones, while ensuring safety and efficiency during the cleaning process. Each bean, with its bright green color and unique shape, flows gently on the conveyor belt, creating a vibrant and attractive scene. Let the peas on the conveyor belt remind you of the appreciation and value of the product.